Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn something very dangerous, and that is how to delete absolutely everything in a table. Okay, so table as table will remain intact as a structure of table, but actual rows, they will be totally destroyed, absolutely everything in every column. Okay, so there is a couple of approaches we can use here. The first approach is slow, but it can be done. For example, when you are using some kind of Perl, PHP, Python script to extract all IDs and then issue all individual delete commands for individual IDs, okay, and that's kind of slow and took a lot of resources. So if your script breaks in the middle, you will never be sure what's happening with the rest of the operation. So you then actually need to go manually in a database and see what's up. So that's kind of slow and relatively stupid approach. But sometimes it can work if you have a little bit of data, like a couple of dozens or hundreds, I don't know. Now the actual total destruction command in MySQL dedicated to delete everything is Truncate Table. Okay, Truncate Table, and then name of the table, in this case that will be friends. Okay, but I just want you to know that there are a couple of other options. So let's actually delete one row, you know that, but let's remind ourselves how that will work. So that will go like this: delete from table friends where ID equals that number. Okay, and that will work. So let's check our table, and there is no that entry here. Now if you say here delete all from friends, maybe that will work, but let's use Truncate Table first. Okay, Truncate Table friends, and in many cases here you will have a slight pause, like a seconds or a couple of seconds. It depends how your table is big. So let's just see what's happening. See, there you go. So 0 rows affected, but basically everything is affected, so that's the case. Okay, select all from friends, and there is nothing there, but table is there. Okay, so let's actually insert one row just for testing purposes and see, can we use delete all from table to actually remove everything? Will we have some kind of error? Okay, so let's insert couple of values. Insert into friends, next line values, a null, and that need not to be in a string because that's not string, that's keyword. And let's say the names will be Slavoj, Žižek, and the phone number, which I don't know, 555, 444, whatever. So that will be one entry, and let's insert yet another famous fella. Values, null, and you will guess that this will be Jordan Peterson. Okay. 888777, whatever. Okay, now let's see what's up. Select all from philosophers, and right, we have two entries. So will this command work? Delete all from friends, and that will not work. Okay, so you can either use Truncate Table or do stuff individually. Okay, now you can also combine delete with what's the term here, between. Okay, so we have just two options here, between 1 and 2. So let's actually do that. Delete from friends where ID between 1 and 2, and that will work. Okay, so right now we don't have anything in a table. Select all from everything, and there you go. The table is basically there. So where is that? Oh, it's easier to type. Sometimes I'm stupid. describe friends, and there you go. The table is here, but no data. So either use specific range, delete from friends where ID between this and that, or any other option in combination with where and between, but the easiest possible solution is the most scary one and most destructive one, and that will be truncate table, that one, friends in this case, and there you go. Now of course 0 rows affected, but as I said, everything is affected. There is nothing in a table. Okay, short tutorial. Please do not play around in production when you're developing your CMS, even when you are practicing your CMS. Do create all kind of backups, please. Right, so I will become famous because in a one line I deleted Zizek and Peterson, so that's like very nice stuff, when you have that kind of power to remove those two names from the face of YouTube tutorials. Whatever, I'm babbling, blah blah blah, as Zizek says. So anyway, I'm gonna shut up, and as always, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.